Hey, it's Jason. I'm out in the snowstorm right now. We're on video. Hey, what a windstorm. What a windstorm. Oh my God, Lord have mercy. It is so cold and windy out here. It's like ridiculous. Yeah. Don't worry, I'm coming. See it snowing? Yeah, I didn't have enough light last night in my videos. Oh, this is a good video now. Woo! Feel that wind. Oh. Look, snow everywhere. The whole yard's full of snow. About 8 to 10 inches. Ooh. How about in New York? They had 20 to 30 inches upstate. What, you know where New York City is? But not 20, 50 miles north of New York City. They had like 25 to 30 inches of snow. Listen to that wind. Wow. Holy mackerels. Woo. That's very strong wind right now, boys. Yeah, it's getting colder out here. Temperature 22 degrees. And it's 7:08 in the morning. Wow. Listen to that wind. Incredible. Hey, it's Jason. I'm out in the snow. See you guys later. I got to do a lot of shoveling. Bye-bye.